नमस्ते गाइज, मेरा नाम है अभिमन्यु। स्वागत है आप सभी का स्पीकर बन इंग्लिश में। गाइज, आज की वीडियो में मैं लेके आया हूं आपके लिए डेली यूज इंग्लिश वर्ड्स। दोस्तों, हम अपनी आम बोलचाल की भाषा में कितने इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं, आज हम वो सब सीखने वाले हैं। तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है दोस्तों उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो एक अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है दोस्तों, जो भी वर्ड आपको अच्छा लगे, जो भी वर्ड आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स को रिमेंबर करने की कोशिश करिए, याद करने की कोशिश करिए, लिख लिख के याद करिए। जो भी चीज़ आपको, जो भी तरीका आपको सूटेबल हो, उस तरीके से दोस्तों ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स को याद करने की कोशिश करिए और फिर उन्हें अपनी डेली लाइफ में बोलने की कोशिश करिए। तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो गाइस। आइए गाइस, शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। तो पहला है दोस्तों आपका एक आर्टिकल है, इसका मतलब होता है वन। इस पे अगर एक एग्जांपल दूं तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा। आई वॉन्ट अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। आई वॉन्ट अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। अगला है दोस्तों आपका अ लॉट, या फिर आप कहें लॉट्स। इनका मतलब होता है अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ समथिंग। अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ समथिंग। इस पे अगर आप एग्जाम्पल देखें, रिमेंबर टू ड्रिंक लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर। रिमेंबर टू ड्रिंक लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर। अगला है दोस्तों आपका अबेट। अबेट, इसका मतलब होता है टू बिकम लेस। द 4-day flood abated and the road became visible. The 4-day flood abated and the road became visible. Ability. Ability, the skill needed to do something. Priyanka has the ability to draw cartoons. Priyanka has the ability to draw cartoons. Able, good at doing something. Good at doing something. I am able to drive a car. I am able to drive a car. Abolish. Abolish, to do away with something. To do away with something. The children wanted to abolish the school's homework policy. The children wanted to abolish the school's homework policy. About. About, not exactly. Not exactly. I think the film lasts about 1 hour. I think the film lasts about 1 hour. Above. Above, over or higher than something. The bird flew above the clouds. The bird flew above the clouds. Abrupt. Abrupt, sudden or unexpected. They were surprised at the teacher's abrupt departure. They were surprised at the teacher's abrupt departure. Absent. Absent, not present. Tom was absent from school yesterday, so missed the mock test. Tom was absent from school yesterday, so missed the mock test. Absolute. Absolute, total or complete. I can't understand him. He is talking absolute nonsense. I can't understand him. He is talking absolute nonsense. Absorb. Absorb, to soak up or take in something. A sponge can absorb a lot of water. A sponge can absorb a lot of water. Abstain. Abstain, to choose not to do something. Vegetarians abstain from eating meat. Vegetarians abstain from eating meat. Absurd. Absurd, ridiculous or nonsensical. Ridiculous or nonsensical. The film's plot was absurd. I couldn't make sense of it. The film's plot was absurd. I couldn't make sense of it. Abundance. Abundance, a great amount of something. There is an abundance of wildlife in the rainforest. There is an abundance of wildlife in the rainforest. Abundant, abundant, present in large quantities. There was an abundant supply of cakes at the party. There was an abundant supply of cakes at the party. Abuse, abuse, cruel treatment of someone or to speak insultingly to someone. Animal abuse is rightly illegal. Animal abuse is rightly illegal. Or the fans verbally abused the rival football team. The fans verbally abused the rival football team. Abusive, abusive, rude or unkind. Don't use abusive language when speaking to people. It will offend them. Don't use abusive language when speaking to people. It will offend them. Accelerate, accelerate, to go faster, to go faster. The car accelerated to reach the higher speed limit. The car accelerated to reach the higher speed limit. Accept, accept, to receive or agree to something. Lucy accepted the party invitation. Lucy accepted the party invitation. Acceptable, acceptable, good enough to be accepted. Harry's messy handwriting was not acceptable. Harry's messy handwriting was not acceptable. Accidental, accidental, happening by chance, happening by chance. The fire was accidental. The fire was accidental. Accommodate, accommodate, to provide someone with a place to stay. A hotel was built to accommodate guests for wedding. A hotel was built to accommodate guests for wedding. Accommodating, accommodating, willing to help. The waiter was very accommodating and found us a new table. The waiter was very accommodating and found us a new table. Accommodation, accommodation, a house or room for living in. What kind of accommodation are you staying in? What kind of accommodation are you staying in? Accompany, accompany, to go somewhere with someone or to occur with someone. Examples are: children must be accompanied by an adult. Children must be accompanied by an adult. Or a cold is often accompanied by a cough. A cold is often accompanied by a cough. Accomplish, accomplish, to manage to do something. The whole team worked together to accomplish their goals. The whole team worked together to accomplish their goals. Accurate, accurate, correct to a detailed level. Use the ruler to make the drawing more accurate. Use the ruler to make the drawing more accurate. Accuse, accuse, to charge someone with doing something wrong. Max was accused of a crime. Max was accused of a crime. Achieve, achieve, to gain by hard work or ability. She achieved the highest marks in the competition. She achieved the highest mark in the competition. Achievement, achievement, something which someone has succeeded in doing. Finishing a marathon is a huge achievement. Finishing a marathon is a huge achievement. Acquire, acquire, to get something. I have recently acquired a digital camera. I have recently acquired a digital camera. act, act, to do something or to perform in a play or act. The referee acted correctly in giving a penalty on the bad tackle. The referee acted correctly in giving a penalty on the bad tackle. या फिर get ready to start acting, get ready to start acting. Action, action, the process of doing something. This letter requires immediate action. Please do not ignore it. This letter requires immediate action. Please do not ignore it. Active, active, full of energy. Adriana was always so active and fun to be around. Adriana was always so active and fun to be around. Activity, activity, a situation in which lots of things are happening. There is an extraordinary level of activity in the school. There is an extraordinary level of activity in the school. Acute, acute, severe or intense or very intelligent. Examples are, he suddenly had an acute pain in his back. He suddenly had an acute pain in his back. Or Jennifer has an acute mind and was always the best at problem solving. Jennifer has an acute mind and was always the best at problem solving. Adequate, adequate, enough in amount, enough in amount. Adequate protein is a part of a balanced diet. Adequate protein is a part of a balanced diet. Admiration, admiration, a feeling of great liking and respect. I have always had the greatest admiration for her. I have always had the greatest admiration for her. Admire, admire, to like and respect someone or something. They admired him for his work. They admired him for his work. Admit, admit, to agree that something is true or to allow to enter. Examples are, the driver admitted that he was lost. The driver admitted that he was lost. Tom was admitted to the university. Tom was admitted to the university. Adult, adult, a grown-up person. A family ticket covers 2 adults and 3 children. A family ticket covers 2 adults and 3 children. Advantage, advantage, a more favorable position or state. Sarah had the advantage of good education. Sarah had the advantage of good education. Advertise, advertise, to present something to the public in order to sell it. Printed bags are a good way to advertise a shop. Printed bags are a good way to advertise a shop. Advertisement, advertisement, a public announcement to sell or publicize something. Mia placed an advertisement in the local newspaper. Mia placed an advertisement in the local newspaper. Advise, ADVICE, advice, a suggestion as to what to do. ये दोस्तों एक ओपिनियन होता है, आप सजेशन देते हैं किसी को. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, टेक माई एडवाइस एंड डोंट ऑर्डर द जूस. टेक माई एडवाइस एंड डोंट ऑर्डर द जूस. नेक्स्ट इज एडवाइस, ADVISE, वो CE था, ये SE है दोस्तों. इसका मतलब होता है टू ऑफर एडवाइस टू समवन. आप किसी को कुछ बता रहे हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल देखिए, हिज फ्रेंड एडवाइज्ड हिम टू लीव एज सून एज पॉसिबल. हिज फ्रेंड एडवाइज्ड हिम टू लीव एज सून एज पॉसिबल. दोस्तों CE वाला क्या है, एक ओपिनियन होता है, आप एक ओपिनियन देते हैं नॉर्मली अपना. SE वाला क्या होता है, आप किसी को कुछ बता रहे हैं, ठीक है। अगला है एडवाइज़र। एडवाइज़र, अ पर्सन हुज जॉब इज़ टू गिव एडवाइस। माई फादर स्पेंड द डे इन मीटिंग्स with his advisors. My father spent the day in meeting with his advisors. Affection. Affection, a feeling of fondness for someone or something. She thought of him with affection. She thought of him with affection. Afraid. Afraid, scared of something. The children felt afraid of the house on top of the hill. The children felt afraid of the house on top of the hill. Aggressive. Aggressive, full of hostility and violence. Hungry sharks can be very aggressive. Hungry sharks can be very aggressive. Agile. Agile, able to move quickly and easily. He is an agile as a cat. He is an agile as a cat. Agreement. Agreement, a decision reached by two or more people. The two countries have signed agreements on fishing and oil rights. The two countries have signed agreements on fishing and oil rights. Aim. Aim, what someone intends to achieve. My aim is to be captain of the hockey team. My aim is to be captain of the hockey team. Alike. Alike, similar in some way. The snakes look so alike. The snakes look so alike. Alive. Alive, having life. Doctors worked around the clock to keep the patient alive. Doctors worked around the clock to keep the patient alive. Alone. Alone, not with other people or things. He was all alone in the middle of the hall. He was all alone in the middle of the hall. Amaze. Amaze, to surprise greatly. Priya amazed us with her knowledge of local history. Ancestor. Ancestor, इसका मतलब होता है गाइस पूर्वज जो हमारे होते हैं. A person from whom someone is descended. My ancestors settled in this country 100 years ago. My ancestors settled in this country 100 years ago. Announcement. Announcement, a statement giving information about something. A statement giving information about something. There has been no formal announcement about the school trip. There has been no formal announcement about the school trip. Annoy. Annoy, to irritate or displease someone. Try making a note of the things that annoy you. Try making a note of the things that annoy you. Anxiety. Anxiety, nervousness or worry. It's natural to have some anxiety before starting a new school. It's natural to have some anxiety before starting a new school. Association. Association, an organization. Many schools have a parents association. Many schools have a parents association. Attitude. Attitude, someone's way of thinking and behaving. Someone's way of thinking and behaving. Having a positive attitude helps you achieve your dreams. Having a positive attitude helps you achieve your dreams. Attractive. Attractive, pleasant, especially to look at. The leading star is very attractive. The leading star is very attractive. Authentic. Authentic, real or genuine. The cake was made to an authentic German recipe. The cake was made to an authentic German recipe. Awful, awful, very unpleasant or very bad. The weather this evening is awful. The weather this evening is awful. Ban, ban, a rule disallowing something. There is a ban on chewing gum in school. There is a ban on chewing gum in school. Band, band, a group of musicians who play together. Louis was a singer in rock and roll band. Louis was a singer in rock and roll band. Barren, barren, with nothing growing on it. The Sahara is a barren forest. The Sahara is a barren forest. Barrier, barrier, something preventing entry. There were barriers to prevent the audience from getting onto the stage. There were barriers to prevent the audience from getting onto the stage. Beginner, beginner, someone learning to do something. Adam joined the German for beginners class. Adam joined the German for beginners class. Behave, behave, to act in a certain way. If you don't behave nicely, we will have to leave the party. If you don't behave nicely, we will have to leave the party. Beloved, beloved, dearly loved. Ankit proposed to his beloved girlfriend. Ankit proposed to his beloved girlfriend. Beneficial, beneficial, giving some benefits. Eating fruits is beneficial to your health. Eating fruits is beneficial to your health. Benefit, benefit, an advantage, an advantage. Meeting interesting people is one of the benefits of joining a club. Meeting interesting people is one of the benefits of joining a club. Beside, beside, next to. We sat beside each other watching TV. We sat beside each other watching TV. Betray, betray, to break someone's trust. I was betrayed by someone I thought was a friend. I was betrayed by someone I thought was a friend. Beware, beware, to be cautious, to be cautious. The sign warned us to beware of the dogs. Bit, bit, a small amount, a small amount. A bit of biscuit fell on the floor while Max was eating it. A bit of biscuit fell on the floor while Max was eating it. Bite, bite, to cut into something with your teeth. Tracy's cat bite me. Tracy's cat bite me. Bitter, bitter, tasting or smelling sharp. Something in the noodles had a bitter taste. Something in the noodles had a bitter taste. Bizarre, bizarre, very strange. Lucy has some bizarre ideas about what to do on holiday. Lucy has some bizarre ideas about what to do on holiday. Blame, blame, the responsibility. I'm not going to take the blame for forgetting the tickets. I'm not going to take the blame for forgetting the tickets. Blend, blend, a mixture or combination of things. The menu was a blend of French and Chinese flavors. The menu was a blend of French and Chinese flavors. Blog, blog, a journal written on the internet. Have you seen Tracy's new fashion blog? Have you seen Tracy's new fashion blog? Blunt, blunt, saying what you think. Saying what you think. Steve's speech was blunt and to the point. Steve's speech was blunt and to the point. Bold, bold, confident and not shy. Confident and not shy. It was a bold move to invite the entire school to her party. It was a bold move to invite the entire school to her party. Border, border, a dividing line between things or places. There was a long queues of traffic waiting to cross the border between the two countries. There was a long queues of traffic waiting to cross the border between the two countries. Bored, bored, not interested in something. I am bored with this subject. I am bored with this subject. Boredom, boredom, a lack of interest. Boredom can set in on long car journeys. Boredom can set in on long car journeys. Boring, boring, dull or uninteresting. Dull or uninteresting. Harry couldn't wait for the boring movie to end. Harry couldn't wait for the boring movie to end. Bother, bother, trouble and difficulty. I don't want to bother Tom. I don't want to bother Tom. Boycott, boycott, to refuse to have anything to do with. Some parties are boycotting the elections. Some parties are boycotting the elections. Breach, breach, a breaking of a law or agreement. Coming into work late is a breach of contract. Coming into work late is a breach of contract. Broadcast, broadcast, a program on radio or television. The news broadcast starts at 8 p.m. The news broadcast starts at 8 p.m. Bunch, bunch, a group of people or things. The players were a great bunch. The players were a great bunch. Calm, calm, not worried or excited. Maya found that practicing yoga helped her to keep calm. Maya found that practicing yoga helped her to keep calm. Candid, candid, honest and frank. He gave a candid interview and revealed many secrets. He gave a candid interview and revealed many secrets. Candidate, candidate, a person being considered for a position. Jack was the best candidate for the job. Jack was the best candidate for the job. Caution, caution, to scold or warn someone against doing something. The policeman cautioned that riding a bike without a helmet is dangerous. Cautious, cautious, acting very carefully to avoid danger. Acting very carefully to avoid danger. The zookeeper was cautious in the crocodile enclosure. The zookeeper was cautious in the crocodile enclosure. Celebrate, celebrate, to do something special to mark an event. It's my birthday, let's celebrate. It's my birthday, let's celebrate. Celebration, celebration, an event in honor of a special occasion. The family dinner was a birthday celebration. The family dinner was a birthday celebration. Celebrity, celebrity, a famous person. The presenter interviewed the celebrity on the red carpet. The presenter interviewed the celebrity on the red carpet. Champion, champion, a person who wins a competition. A person who wins a competition. She won the contest to become the regional judo champion. She won the contest to become the regional judo champion. Charm, charm, an attractive quality. The house was real charm. The house was real charm. Chase, chase, try to chase something or someone. My friend chased me until I gave up. My friend chased me until I gave up. Chat, chat, a friendly talk. Jennifer came over and joined us for a chat. Jennifer came over and joined us for a chat. Cheeky, cheeky, rude and disrespectful. The children were cheeky to their mom. The children were cheeky to their mom. Cheerful, cheerful, in a happy mood. Eliza was feeling cheerful despite the rain. Eliza was feeling cheerful despite the rain. Chief, chief, most important, most important. The job went to one of his chief rivals. The job went to one of his chief rivals. Chop, chop, to cut down or into pieces. I saw him chopping wood with an axe. I saw him chopping wood with an axe. Circulate, circulate, to pass around. Grandpa's birthday card was circulated around the family for everyone to sign. Grandpa's birthday card was circulated around the family for everyone to sign. Clash, clash, a fight or argument. The latest clash between the two teams ended in players being sent off. The latest clash between the two teams ended in players being sent off. Clever, clever, very intelligent. Louis was clever and always scored high marks in exam. Louis was clever and scored high marks in exam. Climb, climb, to move upwards over something. We climbed the mountain in a day. We climbed the mountain in a day. Collapse, collapse, the failure of something. The collapse of the project was caused by a disagreement in the team. The collapse of the project was caused by a disagreement in the team. Colleague, colleague, a person someone works with. My colleagues all worked extremely hard on this project. My colleagues all worked extremely hard on this project. Combination, combination, a mixture of things. Green color is a combination of yellow and blue. Green color is a combination of yellow and blue. Command, command, an order to do something. Everyone in the class jumped up and down at the teacher's command. Everyone in the class jumped up and down at the teacher's command. Communicate, communicate, to be in touch with someone. We communicate mainly by the text message. We communicate mainly by text message. Compensate, compensate, to repay someone for loss or damage. The company offered to compensate the customer for the broken laptop plus the inconvenience. The company offered to compensate the customer for the broken laptop plus the inconvenience. Complex, complex, having many different parts. The complex puzzle took a long time to solve. The complex puzzle took a long time to solve. Compose, compose, to create or write. Stephen has composed a song. Stephen has composed a song. Concentrate, concentrate, to give something all your attention. Tom was trying hard to concentrate on her studies. Tom was trying hard to concentrate on her studies. Concise, concise, using no unnecessary details. The report was short and concise. The report was short and concise. Conference, conference, a meeting for discussion. A meeting for discussion. The team held a conference to discuss the new project. The team held a conference to discuss the new project. Confess, confess, to admit to something. The girl confessed to eating the entire packet of biscuits. The girl confessed to eating the entire packet of biscuits. Confession, confession, the act of confessing. I have to make a confession. I borrowed your shoes without asking first. I have to make a confession. I borrowed your shoes without asking first. Conflict, conflict, disagreement or argument. Harry resolved the conflict between the friends. Harry resolved the conflict between the friends. Connect, connect, to associate one thing with other. Laughter is connected to happiness. Laughter is connected to happiness. Conservative, conservative, unwilling to change. People often get more conservative as they grow older. People often get more conservative as they grow older. Construct, construct, to build or make something. Max is constructing a restaurant. Max is constructing a restaurant. Consult, consult, to go for advice. Consult your doctor before training for the race. Consult your doctor before training for the race. Contest, contest, a competition or game. It was a thrilling contest between two strong teams. It was a thrilling contest between two strong teams. Cooperate, cooperate, to work together. Karishma cooperated with the rest of the team to finish the task. Karishma cooperated with the rest of the team to finish the task. Council, council, a governing group of people. The city council had ordered the road closure. The city council had ordered the road closure. Coward, coward, someone who is easily scared. I am a coward man when it comes to swim. I am a coward man when it comes to swim. Crazy, crazy, very strange or foolish. People thought our plans were crazy. People thought our plans were crazy. Creepy, creepy, strange and frightening. The old house is really creepy at night. The old house is really creepy at night. Crook, crook, a criminal. The man is a crook and a liar. The man is a crook and a liar. Curious, curious, wanting to know. He was curious about the new neighbors. He was curious about the new neighbors. तो ये था गाइस हमारा आज का वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया कुछ डेली यूज के वर्ड्स जिन्हें आप अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में बहुत ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो आई होप दोस्तों आपने इस वीडियो से भी कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सीखा ही होगा। तो मिलते हैं गाइस अगले वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।